Morning everybody, I'm making chamomile tea. These are from last year. They're little flower heads that I dried on a tea towel. So you can do the same. I'll show you where I got them from. So you can grow them in a tub or you can grow them in your garden. So just order the seeds online and get the everlasting ones that you can make seeds from afterwards. Okay, here's my little tub. And these are the little flowers. So you wait till they're bulbous and then pick them off and then dry them on a tea towel and put them in you have to wait till they're totally dry. No tiny bits of water in there. That's really important because they'll just go mouldy. And then pop them in your lovely little teapot. Here you go. This is some I made earlier. And then pour. Oh, nearly poured it on the floor. And there you have it. Beautiful free chamomile tea, really, from your garden. And it is very delicious. Happy breakfast.